Lucid Motors promises a $100,000 luxury sedan that'll be the world's longest range electric vehicle, range over 440 miles. Now, we've been talking about range. We've been talking about Lucid Motors. And first of all, how about this visual right here?
That's a great visual.
You like that?
That's nice.
The whole visual, you like it?
Yeah, it's a nice composition. It's clear. It's crisp.
So Will's looking at
nice colors.
He's looking at a profile view of a Lucid Motors vehicle, and in the background there's this kind of like little mountain range with a pinkish hue because it's close to sunset. I think it's the Salt Flats maybe in Utah. So many cars are photographed here. So many commercials are shot here for the same reason. You see the reflection in the car. Just a beautiful time of day. And so that's why you're loving it. It's maybe a dark blue or gray going on in the vehicle. The important part for fans here is that Lucid Motors is taking on Tesla. The Model S has sort of been the flagship for a long time, particularly when it comes to range. Range, still this big characteristic when it comes to a person's decision on buying an electric vehicle. Tesla's Model S has just been sort of the commercially available record holder for a while, 400 plus 402 miles of range. And it's a big thing with luxury sedans in general, even before electric vehicles, that they should have a long range, that you should be able to cruise in them and not be at the gas station all the time. Well, same thing goes with recharge. You want to go these long, you're going to really enjoy the luxury in there. You want to go on a long trip and not worry so much about it. Now, Lucid Air, they put out a video. I actually didn't watch the video yet. Maybe we should do a quick little what do you call it, reaction to it. There's a link to the video in the post. Willie Doo has to track down the link, and he does. World's longest range electric vehicle. Oh, we got the music. It's very exciting. They've been working on it for a long time. Oh, God. They slowed down around 400 because they're like, yeah, you think we're going to stop there? That's the whole video.
Oh.
That's a bit, what would you say?
Anticlimactic.
Yeah. Climactic. How do you finish that word? Climactic or climatic? Anyway. Clamato. We've done this before, haven't we?
Yeah, we did.
Anticlimato. Anyway, 8, 11, 20, see the new standard. The picture's better than the video, to be honest with you. They claim their 441 mile plus figure is because of this incredible drag coefficient of 0.21. They say it's the industry best, better than Model S, which is 0.23. I assume you still need a really big battery, and that looks like a big car. So they're saying straight out the gate, it's expensive, it's luxurious, awesome drag coefficient. They want to see what Willie Doo looks like in the vehicle. It's very easy, Lucid Motors. All you have to do is send him one, and you'll see what he looks like in it. Imagine that. It's also going to do 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds, so it's no slouch. And something I didn't know, the CEO of the company actually led development on the Model S while he was working for Elon Musk. So how about that for a little soap opera drama? He's coming for it. He's got the background. They're set to go toe-to-toe.
Let me ask you a question.
Whoa. All right.
Do you think that there's eventually going to be some sort of like EV race? Like racetracks around the world?
I think there is.
Is there? Is there a league?
I think there is, but it's very small scale right now. And I'm trying to remember the name of it. Formula E? Type in Formula E race. I believe this is a thing. Yes, Formula E.
The FIA Formula E.
Single-seater motorsport championship that uses only electric cars. This is what you wanted, right, Will? Or
yeah.
you want...
I was thinking like standard cars.
You want the NASCAR version of... but with electric vehicles, because they use stock cars. Well, stock cars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of like, I don't know, maybe a Model S with like versus a Lucid.
I know. The best we have right now is just people take them on the track and then post the track time.
Right.
You're right. That would do well. Enthusiasm in this market is huge. So to see the stock cars raced would be, well...
or like trucks.
Quite enthralling.
Yeah. Cybertruck versus a Bollinger.
All right, you got it, Will.
That'd be cool.
Elon listens to the show, so you got it. He's going to work on it, set it up, they've been testing. They were testing that plaid version because they're trying to beat the Taycan.
Yeah.
And everyone's flying to Germany to do it because that's where they want to get the track times on the Nürburgring. So it's a whole thing.
Let's see it happen.
Okay, will he do?